Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is my fall makeup tutorial 2023. As you know, I do these every single year on my channel. I do seasonal makeup, I do fall makeup, spring makeup, winter makeup, summer makeup, and today is my fall makeup tutorial of this year. The majority of the items that I'm using are drugstore today, except for one. I'm using a high-end primer, but you can easily switch that out for a different primer. So it's mostly affordable today. Super natural everyday makeup I'm going for. Lately I am not going for bold makeup, glittery, shimmery, nothing like that. I am going for super natural everyday wearable makeup in this look. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so I'm going to start by spraying my face with the Barry Flawless Hydro Fix Primer Water first. And then for primer, I'm going in with this Estee Lauder The Smoother Universal Perfecting Primer. Like I said, you can switch this out for anything different, but I actually had this as part of a little gift set. So it's like a travel size version. So that's why I'm using it, because I like it, it's pretty good, but you can easily switch it out for a different one. And I'm using the e.l.f. small stippling brush just to apply a little bit of this. And the reason why I use that primer, I don't know if you can see on camera, but basically it just blurs out your face, blurs out any imperfections, ready for foundation. It's really, really good. Okay, now for foundation today, I'm going in with the Physicians Formula, the Healthy Foundation, in the shade LC1. It is the palest shade that they do. However, it is way too dark for me, but I have a slight tan, believe it or not. So it might be okay. And I'm going to be applying this with my LA Girl makeup sponge. Lately, I am not using any foundation brushes. I am only using sponges. And I really like the LA Girl one. I like the Real Techniques one. And I like the Eco Tools sponges. Oh, and the Sunday Ivy microfiber sponges. Those are like the 4 sponges that I'm rotating between using at the minute. But I feel like I can't go back to a brush because just sponges are so good with application. So this also has SPF 20, not really needed too much in the winter, but you should still always have some kind of SPF in a moisturizer or something. So yeah, let's pop this on. Okay, so for concealers, I'm using the Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Eraser Eye Concealers in the shades Fair and Ivory mixed together, and then I'll blend that in with the same sponge. And then to set my whole face, I'm using the Rimmel Stay Matte powder in the shade Transparent. Using my Morphe G35 brush first to set my eye area. And then I'm using my Morphe E2 brush to set the rest of my face. Then for bronzer, I'm using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Bronzer, using my IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe powder brush. Then for blush, I'm going to go in with this Colourpop Super Shock Cheek Blush. It's in the shade Count Me In, but it's kind of like gives me fall vibes, this colour, so I think it's perfect for this time of year. And I'm going in with the IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Flawless Blush Brush. Then I'm going to go in with a little bit of highlighter using the Essence Pure Nude highlighter in the shade Be My Highlight. Using my Real Techniques setting brush. Okay, like I said, it's going to be a super really natural eye look today. Very matte, very bronzy, like brown shades. And I'm going to be using the Colourpop Going Coconuts eyeshadow palette today. So first of all, I'm going in with this shade here through the crease using my Morphe R37 brush. I'm then going to take a mixture of these two colours here and I'm going to pop them in the outer corners and then blend them through into the crease as well. So I'm going to use my Morphe M412 brush to start, but then I will go back in with the Morphe R37 as well. I'm then going to take this Sigma E40 Tapered blending brush just to blend all the harsh lines. And then I'm going to pop all those colours on my lower lash line using my Morphe E18 brush. I'm then going to go in with this darkest shade here on a Morphe M421 brush just to do kind of like a line on the top of my lashes. I'm not doing a wing line or anything, just a line. This is hard, so we'll see how this goes. Okay, now I'm just going to pop on some setting spray. So I'm using the Colourpop No Filter Setting Mist. Then I'm going to go in with the NYX Control Freak Clear Eyebrow Gel. Then I'm using the NYX Slide On Glide On Brown Perfection Eyeliner Pencil. And then I'm going to curl my lashes using my Tweezerman eyelash curlers, and I'm going in with the Colourpop Level Up Lengthening Mascara in the shade Black. Now for lips, first of all I'm going in with the Colourpop Skimpy Lippie pencil. And then I'm going in with this Colourpop Luxe lipstick in the shade What's Your Sign. Okay, so that completes this video. This was my fall makeup tutorial 2023. Super easy and quick to create, mostly drugstore apart from one product. And yeah, really natural, everyday kind of makeup. This is definitely the makeup I would wear out and about during the fall time of year. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already so you can see all my other videos. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!